This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Eric Rose. Look no further. Nested in Winter Park, this 3-bedroom, 2-bath open floor plan home has everything. Situated on over a 1/4 acre lot, this backyard offers privacy and space for entertaining, giving that sense of retreat. With large vaulted ceilings, the family room gives that expansive, spacious feel. Just off the living room is an enclosed Florida room to enjoy any evenings no matter what the weather might be. This ready-to-move-in home has the model feel with plenty of upgrades. Conveniently located near shopping and restaurants plus easy access to 417,408 and Highway 50. For more information, review the details below.